So friend, this is my services control panel part 3 here, and this in services give more additional information and with practical. So watch my previous video services part 1 part 2, and I'm already created other playlist in control panel topics. So this video continue part 3, and before you these watch this video part 3, so first you must watch my part 1 part 2 services. So this is one type of continue in my these services part 2. This is a very important for you watch part 1 part 2, and other video I'm already created play in playlist control panels and twitters, facebooks, and others computer hardware related and some information. So watch my videos, and my all video part wise here because sometime long duration type long video. So this season I'm part wise video created. So how these using services, let's start continue. Okay, group bar services start here. So that is the services here. Okay, so check you for update means these always working updating files here. So this service is working only for update. So click on check update here. So that time I'm my start in my case these software files here. Okay, so first you want to check here okay, okay, and you want disable means permanent your this file disable stop all this type, these messages available in updates available. So these how can we this start by these services, these software services. Okay, so very important for your computer services here. Okay, so this type serving by your comp your software services here. So software services working with your your programming services files here. So click on here, you can see here. So automatically you want start. So I'm just disable here because I'm not like here. Okay, and click on apply, and you must apply and click on OK. So you change anything, so click on apply here. So that is disable here in my services, and you can see here advanced logon means what is these services working with your login time and logon system time. So who services interact with your system, and what is a user your account start these services, access these services, and some account not access here. So you can see here, you can see mail, sky type, my two services user here. So I'm just not like user, I'm just like only local system account means my local account means default accounts, and using these allow services interact, and I can changing here these services here. So some the security reason for logon. So recovery, what is a recovery? Sometime failures your services because some your file, your programming file not starting here, your computer programming file not start that time. Your recovery systems very important for your services. So first you can see here, first failure means your first time your computer start, and this software services here. I'm just so give example this these software here. So you can see first failure, what is your first failure time, your action. So you can restart your system services, you restart your services, restart your run program, you restart your computer. So these restart services means your not computers shut down, automatically restart your background set. And second failure time, what is the run program, I'm set here. Okay, so second failure time run program. And the third is not start, so restart my computer. But I'm restart services like, because sometime very important. And you can reset fail count after 1 day 2 days. You can reset fail counting and information, take information in your event viewer. So event viewer, I'm already create this video topic. You can go in my playlist. And what is the event viewer? So sometime your fail your services, how many time services fail, and count here. And services restart after this 1 minute. And you can see, so you give this 5 minute 55, you can add here. Okay, so different type services available. And you are counting after you restart your services here. So registered fail count means your 5, you give a 5 days means your 2 days. And after that time you restart these services 1 minute after. So you can check your system, you can start your, but I'm click on, in my case 0 days and 1 minute after automatically start your these services. Sometime not perfectly start your, that is a give. Enable action for stop with errors. So sometime your programs, your not actions not start your services, not program your not start. So you can stop here, you can take actions here in these options here. You can, so first how many type you can run stop your run program sometimes. So these feature available for your run program. And so at that time, how can you start your new programs? And that is stop sometimes services. So programming every file, available programs, all of software file in these program files. And 64-bit 32-bit folders inside. So I'm just click on setup file. And the first time just I want only these exe file.com, this type identify this so I'm just click on, in my case, and this select these options and select these programs. So that time these services are not action start, and some error give automatically this to start this software here. Okay, so, and command parameters, you can add your command sometime, your command prompt too. So command prompt is one type of commanding feature, and using your command prompt. And you can append count a command. You can see here slash fail and equal to percentage 1%, you can set here. Okay, but I'm just like this type. And dependencies, what is a dependency? These mean about mean these services, dependent services, always drivers some load older groups in some group even files and folders, very data very old, and using internet. And that time your old software not perfectly work, so dependency work with your system. And you can see here, so properties, click on, and you can see Acrobat update services. So these working only for first these especially for internet and server. So Adobe Acrobat these software for and using systems. So first you can want first finish some your old time data, and you old your data, and you using old feature old your software. So you can system say start here. And second, you can click on services, any services you can click on, and information read. So this L1 router services. So this is a router, DSL router means your broadband connection, and connect your router. So DSL router services always start in this is a network services here, because router is working only for network here. And you want more information, so check description systems here. Description in give different always information here. So you can see router allow message for a local allow, and you can see here manual trigger start means without your DSL router you attach you cannot start these services. So you first attach your router in your computer, so that time services automatically not start because you manual connect in your computer router, and that time starting your system and the network here. So you can guess this is a control panel here, and network services, network and sharing center. So what is the network and sharing center I will discuss in some video. So first you can see a manual trigger start means you start your computer power on, and that time you not start these services, but you starting your computer in that time your router connect, that time you start your services. Sec these and next these services app, this is app readiness, this is get apps ready for using first time and using signs into this PC, and when adding new apps. So you these are services only for using a new message in your computer. So sometime your computer new apps you add, so these services give a message in your computer systems and signs, and you next click on application host helper services. So lot of services available in Windows. So first what is all these services? So these provide administrative services for IIS, internet information services, for example configure history and application pool account and mapping, and if these services is stop your self configuration history and locking down files and directories with your application, and pool specific your access and control your entire civil network here. So this is all of your services, and click on services and read description, so you can manage here. So this is services already running here, and you can see here application information services available here, application services working for application layer gateway services. So layer gateway services application working for only. So all of services working with your computer and your software services and hardware services, network services, operating system services, different services working for different way for different programming with your computer data, your computer files. So this is a very important for systems and system your application management. These services here you can see here, application management means your application manages this all of your main applications here. So how can you can drag your drop here, these application management services help you, and these APX new deployment, all of lot of services available, but I'm discuss some some services, and you can manage it here. So you can see provide infrastructure and support for drop, you can deploy store applications, and these services start on demand, and if you disable store applications so will not be deploy and start your systems not function properly work here. So this service is very important, and working with uh, your your applications services here. ASP.NET State services mean ASP is .NET services here, and these services here, and background intelligent transfer services means this is a bit, and you can see update.ms and explore. So this is automatically already start, but delay start here. Background tags instructor, can you can see services. So infrastructure means your background infrastructure, different tabs working your computer, and your background, your tags, just like these are the services, and internet, some software background working. So these services working background for services here, and you can see DNS client means this DNS client always services working with your computer server. Okay, so you connect your servers, so this DNS client always start and check your DNS. So what is a DNS I will discuss in DNS servers and network series. but I'm just showing DNS means domain and server, domain services and domain system. And you can see here these are all of small menu, big menu. So this controlled by these services here. Okay, so this is you can see here I'm click on Intel. This is a so this is an Intel system graphics control panel services here. So I'm click on this is all of these settings. You can see here you can also solving options here. So how we these control, how can we start configuration and checking and stop and changing features. These services help your this software here. Okay, so without these services you cannot start your software, not control your settings, not control your systems. So this is very helpful for your computer services. You can click on your calendar, open calendar automatically. So this service is very help for your computer. So without services you cannot start your computer. Service is very important for your computer. So friends, this is a very long video in services part 3. I will continue in next video, services part 4, because this very long duration, long video. And in this services part 4 is very continue in next time. So watch my previous continue, and next time I will show you. Okay, so watch my videos and click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, click on share button, because this is share your information for your friends. And these maybe you any problem in video, so watch again. And you can comment me and more take solution for computer services. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day.